Look at all of the clothes though. So pretty in here.
The right side is up.
Kidding, like there's one person. Good. Oh, relax room. Off.
But with the trial, it's 57%.
That's Alright, so I just got to the laboratory area inside Purito's office, and I feel like I'm a kid inside a candy shop, and there's just so much that goes on behind the scenes. So let's take a look around. Also, do you guys like my little lab coat? So cute. They gave me this as soon as I came in, and it makes me feel so official.
Okay, it's for more brightening effect.
네, 추천.
So she recommends the.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that one. 이거는 우리 하이네이처밖에 없는 원료.
다해서 이 안에. So for the it absorbs quite fast. So its main ingredient for the whole this line is ceramide. Mostly for.
안방에서 처음에 발견이 된다고 했는데 안방에서
That's so good. It's not too sweet. Just came to the dog store and I've been meaning to get Cleo a new dog tag. I really like the tags here in Korea. They're so cute and they come with like different chains. I ended up ordering this one for her. It's like a little gold one and it was only like $6 US. It was super cheap, and so I've ordered it and then I'm gonna come pick it up on Friday. Look at all of the clothes though. Cleo does not like wearing stuff like this, especially now that it's summer. It's just so hot. But how adorable. Wait. Hello everyone, good afternoon. It is a very rainy day in Korea right now. I think the rainy season has officially started. If you didn't know, in Korea there is a rainy season that's usually in June or July. It came earlier this year compared to my previous years in Korea, but I guess it's a good thing we're getting it out of the way early. But yeah, it has just been so rainy and I've been feeling so tired today. So today was one of those days that I just laid around the house. I did editing from my bed and now I'm up and I managed to kind of get myself in front of the camera. But I'm very excited because I got a package in the mail, and this is from the lab that I went to earlier in this video from the company Purito. Can I just say, like, that was the coolest experience ever going into that lab. I feel like I was kind of busy in there, so I didn't have the chance to talk a lot to the camera. But not only was the staff just so nice, but it was just really cool and interesting to be able to learn a lot. As you guys saw, I made the product in their lab. That was the coolest experience ever. Everything was very specific. I had to follow a very detailed ingredient list, and it just reminded me of being back in science class, but I was actually very interested. Instead of just taking the product home that I made, they wanted to send it off to have some extra testing and double checking done just to make sure all the pH levels were correct and that I could safely use it on my skin. So I just got it in the mail. Cute little card. Hi Adrian, thanks for coming to our office. Here's the mist we created. We look forward to seeing you more often. Oh, thank you so much, Purito. You're so kind. Okay, so here it is. Let's see what it looks like. I have not seen the finished product. I just saw it in the little jar. Oh my goodness. How cute. And there's even a little label on the back. I wrote the key ingredients on here. This is such a nice bottle. That feels so refreshing, but I really like how it comes out. It's a mist and it doesn't feel like wet on my face. And then there's also, I think, one more. Yay, I got two. I didn't realize that we made this much product. Anyways, for the rest of this video, I'm just going to do some more editing, and I don't know, I'm feeling so tired. If you guys have any advice on maintaining energy levels on very gloomy days, please let me know. It's supposed to rain for like the next 2 weeks here, so I would really appreciate your advice. And I also wanted to mention that I am really looking for new and fun content ideas for this summer. I am just feeling a little bit, not burnt out, because I don't feel burnt out, but I just want to have more story and substance to my vlogs. I would like my vlogs to have more of a storyline. So for example, I'm gonna film a what I spend in a week video. Stuff like that I would love, because it gives me the chance to vlog, but also tell more of a story, which is just more engaging and better for both of us. It feels more rewarding for me when I post that, and I feel like you guys would enjoy it more. So if you have any advice on what I can film, please let me know. I'd really appreciate that. I feel like I have been very anxious about that, and that also is contributing to my sleepiness probably, but it's all good. I know that it's just part of the process of being a YouTuber. If you guys didn't know, I've been on YouTube for 11 years. So whenever I have these little like content funks, I just remind myself that it's part of being a long-term YouTuber. Anyways, that's about it for this video. I'm going to go take care of some other work. I hope this video gave you a little good insight as to what my life is like. Obviously, not all weeks are super busy. Some weeks I don't have tons to do, but I'm very grateful for each and every job that I get here, because it just helps me move through life. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.